Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm very happy to be here again as Bulgari's ambassador. I was blessed to have had the chance to go to Rome for the first time for Bulgari's campaign shoot. I was amazed by the beautiful Roman architecture like the Colosseum. One of my favorite experiences during my trip was Novana. I found a vintage store with amazing vintage pieces, and when I left the store, I saw the beautiful sunset. I felt closer to the city of Rome. I love being part of the Bulgari family. We shot the campaign in a romantic villa that overlooked the city of Rome. It was such a beautiful experience being able to wear Bulgari surrounded by Roman architecture. During the pandemic, the streets have been very quiet at night, but seeing people out and enjoying themselves makes me excited and happy with them. Discovering the importance of the special moments in everyday life is the meaning of unexpected wonders to me. Among Bulgari collections, I wear B01 the most often. When I'm not working, I usually wear comfy clothes, and wearing B01 makes the entire look special without putting too much effort. B01 was inspired by the Colosseum, capturing both the past and present of Rome. To me, B01 represents the balance of classic and contemporary. B01. I like to layer jewelry, a watch and a bracelet, or layer different rings. I think it's pretty to match 2 or 3 B01 necklaces of different lengths. I really wanted to meet Blinks the past 2 years during the pandemic. I would love to meet and talk with them in person. Please look forward to the B01 campaign I did with Bulgari. And thank you so much for waiting such a long time. I hope to see you all very soon. Bye!